I was chatting with one of my friends who works in a car parts store, and I said to him, man, Pierre needs a new exhaust, struggling to get one in time, really to get it back on the road when I want to get it back on the road, which is now. So he said, why don't you try the old school method and use a tin can? So that's what we're going to do. So Pierre, my old French mate, has got a bit of an exhaust blow. Now, oh, how do we do the wipers? Oh, it's on the inside, and it's leaking from the roof as well. That's cool. That's it. Yeah, it's quirky, right? That's why we love old cars. So Pierre, it's got a little bit of an exhaust blow. And today we're going to fix it for free-ish, basically free. And also, you can hear here the blow. So hopefully we can fix this today with a tin can. Dog loves Pierre. Now this is hopefully all we're going to need, apart from one or two little clamps, to get this bad boy not blowing no more. These, they're for me, because they taste really good. Not for you. Now when you're working on these ancient ass cars, sometimes you have to go back into the past to find out your future answer. So I'm going to be using a technique that my ancestors would have used on this. The old Haynes manual. Back in the day, before the internet, these were the Bible. Now, I wasn't really working on cars to any point of any degree that mattered before the internet existed. So, I mean, I guess I have to relearn how to read. Wish me luck. See, to now all the youths out there, you wouldn't realise how good these things are. So they have their own Google at the back called an index. And all you do is you look, jacking and vehicle support, reference .5. Which is ref 21, ref 15, ref 11. There we go. Woo! Boom! Instantly, we now have an idea of where to jack the car up. Now, I like the look of this one here. There we go. Get the other side on, and we are good to go. Okay. We need to now figure out where this hole is. Now, after having a look, instantly, I think it's going to be coming from there, which isn't great. But for the movie, we're willing to have a look, ain't we, Finn? Hey, we're willing to work this out for the movie. Yo, can you pass me a torch? Hey, can you get me a torch? Can you get me a torch? Well, there's your problem. Oh my god, that is definitely not ideal. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a little crack somewhere. Anyway, we're going to try and do this. Try being the optimum word here. Ow. There's the hole. Oh, that's really bad. If I can fix this with a tin can, this will be so funny. Okay. Ah, let's get my eyes! So here we have the culprit. All of these holes, which is not great, especially with the shape that it's on. But, you know what? I'm willing to give it a go. And now for my favourite bit. So, first lid cut off, which is perfect. I mean, it's not perfect. We need to make sure we don't cut our hands doing this. An awesome little job done. Now, one last cut. Boom. Boom. Got gloves on now so my hands won't get cut. We now have one wonderfully flexible bit of metal, which is going to be perfect. But I just want to clean these little bits of glue off. Or we might get lucky and be able to cut it down and cut that bit of glue off there for the car. But we've got to go back under now and work it out. So let's go climb under this car again. Cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, what did I do with my goggles this time? I reckon with one extra clamp on there, along with the OEM one, it will work. We just need to cut it down a little bit, just so we're following. The exhaust has got a rounded flange on one side, okay, like this, that seats into a flange on the other like this, which goes to the catalytic converter. Now here, oh, she's a different colour. Here, all the rust there. But for the most part, this bit's okay, apart from a little crack here that we're going to try and just get around, because the clamp, the original Peugeot clamp, is good clamp. Good. Nike, don't sue me. There you go, no copyright infringement. So, what we need to do with our tin can, I was thinking we could like wrap it around this whole bit here. Instead, I'm going to try and take it from there, cover the rust, back to here. That bit then is okay. That bit hopefully will stop the blow, and then we're fixed and we can go home and stop laying under this car, which would be amazing. We'll see if this works. I'm praying. I'm praying. Pray. We need to cut off about that much from the tin can. So let's go. Where's my goggles at? Not bad for freehand. I wish we had a ramp to do this on, because I'm going to have to keep laying under here with my bad ass neck, but we'll try. I've also got one more thing, which is this. Firegum exhaust assembly paste. Now, it says permanent seal guaranteed. I mean, I don't think this is what it's meant to be used for, but we're going to anyway. We just need to make sure this is the right size first. So we need to lay, once again, under the whip, and yeah, send it really. Where's that clip that I had as well? Oh, that needs to be cut down maybe a tiny bit more, or will that work? Hang on. So we're just gonna fucking layer this everywhere. I can't wait to show you how good this looks under here. I can't believe how easy this was as well. Man, this has saved me like, I don't know, 50, 60 pounds, which might not sound like a lot, but it is. So And I got to eat, which is even better. So there we have it. That is the new exhaust. Oh, Finn, dude, why would you do that? Oh, God, you dribbled all on me. You're gross, man. There's the new exhaust. We'll get the old clamp around it and we'll start old Pierre up and see if he still blows. Well, he might a little bit, but nowhere near as bad as he did. So let me put them two 12 mils back on and we'll have a start up and see what he does.
Don't do that, Pierre. That's not what we wanted, Pierre. That is not right, Pierre. Come on, dude. We're home and dry, bro. Let's not fucking fall out now. Come on, man. We're home and dry. You're nearly back on the road because of Heinz baked beans. Breakfast to exhaust. I think we are good. I think that's tight. I think it's pretty well sealed, but I just need to read up on how long that exhaust putty needs to dry or harden before we turn her on, or turn him on in this case. So yeah, give me 1 sec, let's have a look, and then we will go from there. One thing I love about the French is that they are so unique and quirky. So I live in England, so this car is right-hand drive. The steering wheel is on this side. Peugeot, obviously being French, means the cars are made to be left-hand drive. Now, in any non-French car, the manufacturer moves the handle that you pick the bonnet open with to the side, the driver, but not in this case. In France, they do not. I now have to go to the passenger side to open it, which I just think is really funny and just annoying as well. So I like that, I can respect that. If you're doing something that's purposely going to annoy people without mentioning it, I think that's really good. I think that's really funny. There we go. And guess what? There's no blow! Yes, Pierre! Yes, Finn! Who's a good boy? It worked! Oh, that's so good! Pierre has another lease of life. So does the bean can. Oh, that is magic. Oh my goodness me, that's made me so happy. Listen to how he purrs now. Oh, that is magic. Goodness me, I'm so happy. That's brilliant. That's so much better than it was. Amazing. There we go. I've left it running for about, half an hour now. Making sure it all settles. There's no condensation coming out of there like there is the back end here, which is where we want it from. Magic. Magic. So the whole idea behind this video was just to have some fun and show you guys that old crap cars that cost £400 that can be fixed by a 59p can of beans can be as enjoyable and as fun as chasing the next thing. Chasing after whatever's the next. Like, I'm trying to live in the moment now and just enjoy the little things, and Pierre's put a massive smile on my face, and I hope he has yours as well. Anyway, I'm out. So go and enjoy Pierre. All right, see you later, guys. Peace. Magic,